To reset Redmi Buds 6, first of all, you will have to input both of them inside this charging case. And before you start, be sure also that you remove all of this foil from your earbuds, so we can find them around your earbuds. And now you will have to just rotate your case, and let me just show you where is located reset button. It's just right here. It's almost not visible in the black color. You have to click and hold it, and take a look on this indicator. First of all, it will start blinking white. By the way, you have to keep that open. Take a look. We have to hold it for around 10 seconds. So just wait for it. There we go. And now the reset is complete. And if you want to check if it is really working, then you have to go for your previously connected, for your previous connection, and as you can see now, we got another pairing request, which means that the previous connection was removed from this phone. That's how it actually works.